everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you a bath ritual to help you release any sort of negativity or heaviness that you may be feeling. The first ingredient I chose for this spell is black salt. Black salt is amazing for extremely heavy energy as it has strong banishing properties. If the negative energy that is attached to you just will not budge, try using black salt in your rituals. I find it very effective. Next, I chose Himalayan pink salt for its gentle and loving properties. Himalayan pink salt is not only amazing for self-love and self-worth, but it also has very strong healing energy and has very positive energy to help uplift you and lift the vibration of your aura. I often use sage in a lot of my spells that have to do with uplifting energy or clearing out negative energy, as it has extremely strong cleansing properties. I incorporated basil for peace of mind and clarity. Often when we're in a heavy space, our mind becomes foggy, and basil is just that grounding energy to bring us back and to be able to breathe and find peace in the moment. I use a combination of rosebuds and rose petals for this spell as well, because not only are they amazing for self-love and kindness towards the self, but they also have a very high vibrational energy to uplift the aura.